Yeah, guys, it's your boy. I'm a fat man. Let's eat some food. Today we're gonna review something I've not actually seen on the menu yet. So this is a cheese and herb cheese box. Nice stuff here. Yeah. I wanna dip in. They look pretty interesting. Gotta say. I'm very bad at camera photography stuff. They don't really smell that heavy. I think it's just very salt. But as you can see, there's little grains and stuff. Pretty interesting. You could really see that on camera, I guess. Yeah. Sorry, mic's off. That's bad, probably. So, I'm gonna be honest. I'm not sure why, but it's pretty mid. I like myself some cheese. I like myself some herb, but I can barely taste it cheese. The cheese is strong enough that I can taste it. The herb, I cannot even tell. I think this product is a big miss. Yeah, I just taste cheese all the way through. Of course, the fryness is very nice, but that's here nor there. So let's see what it. Oh, it's a little opening like that. Always like the rich tomato dip. Pretty tasty. Like the sourness. The sourness makes it real good. The sweetness. Yeah, I'd honestly say what's saving this is the dip itself, but then the dip overpowers all the cheese. Still pretty mid. Honestly, you're just better off getting regular chicken nuggets. Or any variation of chicken nuggets. Although I've not tried katsu before. But yeah. Get those chicken nuggets. Get some dip. Eat. Voila. Delicious. The dip makes it pretty good. But it doesn't make up for the lack of taste from the herb. Problem, you can't really use sauce on this stuff because the herb, I just tasted it just now. It's like super subtle. That after 10, is it 10? About 10. Some nuggy, I can taste it finally. I'm very content. Let me try again. You really have to bite into that crust. No, it's so subtle. I've lost the taste again for it. Weird. You'd think that having no sauce would help, but it didn't. It made it worse. Might be just
It's the spicy
actually no,
veggie
I think
one.
it's the rich tomato dip stuff. So very similar to the cheese mozzarella share boxes they did before. Obviously, I'm a chunky boy, so I can get myself a share box. I need it by myself, like a little bad boy, little sad loner, and that's fine too. Either way, I'm happy. Even if it's super mid. And I give it a 6 out of 10. The dip really saves this from being like 4.5 or something. Yeah. Alright. I'll finish that off camera. Don't want to spoil my palate for the rest. Never really drank Macdonalds before. It's pretty interesting. Pretty good. You think, why do I have this? I got a sharebox. Now that well, not, I didn't mean sharebox, I meant Happy Meal. At my location, there are only 2 Mcdonald's. One is really good. Gets consistent orders right, hardly gets anything wrong. One is kind of, okay, it's mostly shite, but sometimes it's a mixed bag, really. Mostly on the bad side. There's a drive-through, if you know what yeah, some of you guys might know where I live. It's chill. I don't like this camera angle. It makes me look like a victim of a documentary of victims of no specific things, but I hope you're liking the greenery in the background. It's pretty cool, huh? Yeah, I think so too. So now we're gonna enjoy the, what was it again? It was the spicy one, I think. Was it? Voiceover, please help out. Please. No. Spicy veggie one? Veggie one? Something like that. Something one. Alright, that's all you gotta know. Pretty big. It's what? 2 or 3 pounds? Pretty good. Ooh. Might be called the spicy veggie one. Actually, kind of spicy. Surprising. Cleanse the palate again. Give me a fresh bite. No, this is good. Again, I think it's just Mcdonald's using that sausage to really make the flavor pop. They're only good for the sauces, really. I guess if you're a plain boy, doesn't mind eating trash, like me, then I guess they're okay, but they're not gonna win any awards. Now, as I said, the main quality, obviously the spiciness, the sauce makes it real good. Makes it real good. But the salad is good. I like that. Maybe they should salt and pepper it more. Season it better. I don't like. This is like how it's supposed to taste. So obviously, not enough salt and pepper for me. It's missing a bite. It's like, it's not salty enough. Honestly, it's like so weak. So salt gives that little. If it's like mostly salad, like this is. See salad here, some corn stuffs with I think that's rice and stuff like that, fried. Obviously, McDonald's, you know. honestly, if it wasn't for the sauce, this would be, it'd be a 4. It's very mid, very subpar. But again, sorry, camera. The sauce really makes it real good. And I'm really glad they slaver it, because otherwise, it wouldn't be worth it. With the sauce, I would say it's a 7. It's a 7. Or actually, no, 7 to 7.5 range. The corn stuff, you say it's like normal corn. Nothing special about it. Nothing really stands out except for the sauce. Yeah. If you're a lover of spicy food, you will especially like this, because I am, and I love it. Even if I did give it a low rating, it's to take into account that I'm a spice lover. The flavor itself is pretty good, but it's not as good as just having spice. Then again, Mcdonalds, salt and pepper this, please. It's not salt. I can't taste the salt. If you don't salt your foods, there's something wrong with you, alright? A lot of people would be like, no salt, but come on guys. Everyone should salt and pepper stuff. Especially this stuff. Oh. Pricing is a bit, it's actually alright for the amount you get. Obviously you can get bigger wraps other places, especially in this book. Oh shit. I'll eat that as well. Well, might as well. There's other places you can go, but for a restaurant, nah, you can't really qualify as for a fast food place. It's actually not too bad. That's all I've got to say. I think I'm a fat man. Signing off. It's a new format. I like it. Tell me what you think. Give me your thoughts and stuff in the comments below. Subscribe if you want. Comment if you want to comment. Anything. Honestly, anything would do. Mario, sorry I didn't invite you. I need to budget these videos. I really do. And with your personality, I think it would just it would make the video too good. Honestly, it would just make. Okay, no, obviously not because of that, but like I'm joking about. But yeah, maybe next time. Maybe next time I'll add you in. How about that? Anyway, bye.